Even then, overall improvement in employment was not very significant. We were adding just about 1 to 2 million jobs per annum, although government has promised 10 million jobs. Be its impact on the kind of but to say that people will come back to agriculture, that is perhaps too much to say, because agriculture's potential to absorb more people is limited.
Absolutely.
It's also limited because the rate of growth in agriculture has been very poor. If you look at the index rate of agricultural production between 96 and 2012, it has been going up only by about 1.2% per annum, which is much less than the increase in population. Because of that, what will happen is people will be part-time workers in agriculture. Part-time they will work on non-farm incomes close to their villages. Maybe some people will go to a city and come back. So therefore the scenario is going to be quite complex. And overall what will happen is that the gap between workforce and labor force will further increase, as it is in
But so many, all states, say backward states are now GDP. Entire central India, eastern India, if great growth rate picks up, and it will pick up, then India has the potential with rising favorable age composition